Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out these stunning hairstyle ideas for women. If you are new to the channel, my name is Danielle. And around here we like to watch hair transformation. So if that is your jam, that is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe for more. So of course this first transformation is going to feature a hair color change. Oh, so she got these beautiful kind of chunky highlights, beige going on with blonde, and she does have like a shoulder length lob. Beautiful. She has such thick hair, full of body and movement. Absolutely stunning. So then we move on to the next hairstyle. So it looks like she worked it out with the stylist to give her a lob. So far this looks like it is on quite a dramatic angle, but he might be cutting it a bit shorter. So he definitely kept that dramatic angle. This is a beautiful lob. Her hair looks so shiny and beautiful. The stylist said add waves. And I really like the dramatic angle. A lot of length left in the front portion of the hair. So then we move on to the next hairstyle. So it looks like they might be getting a pixie haircut with this one as well as some color. Oh my goodness, breathtaking pink. I wish we would have got a longer look at that transformation. Absolutely gorgeous. That pink looks stunning on her. Right in the form of a faded pixie. Gorgeous. Then we see this beautiful blonde. She does have beautiful waves with that one as well. So moving on to the next hairstyle. Looks like this one is going to feature a hair color change. Visually, this is a really nice video. Like you can tell that the video is well put together. All of the editing and everything, so glamorous. So it looks like she got these beautiful honey highlights added to the hair, and now the stylist is curling it. Oh, she looks amazing. She looks like a model. Stunning, her makeup and everything. Love the color of the highlights, so pretty. So next up we see a bob. So she's doing like a slick back look with this. Fresh faced makeup, beautiful earrings, adding shimmer to the décolleté. Gorgeous. Those earrings look like they would kind of hurt though, I'm not gonna lie. So then we see a major hair trim. So the stylist is cutting off the dead ends. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.